It's just torture for me. Can you see that? Hi guys, so today is going to be a try and test it series. As you can see, I just wash my face with face wash. I don't use any moisturizer or anything. So, and you can see my dark circles. So I'm going to use for the dark circles these Garnier Hydro Bomb Eye Serum Mask. These from Nykaa for 240. Yes, one each for 120. So I'm excited when it's released, but whenever I was just added to in my cart, it's just say they sold out. So thank God I got this. Okay, so I'm going to try it and tell you that you should buy or not buy. How does it work? It is work for me or not? Okay, then let me tell you. My skin is oily, acne prone skin, and you can see the dark circles here. I don't have a really kind of deep dark circles, but I have dark circles, you can see that. So I'm going to try one of these babies out. So let's see how this works. Okay, let me tell you about the product. It's the Garnier Hydro Bomb Serum Mask, brightening eye mask. Is okay, brightening eye mask. Note down. Reduce eye bags, dark circles. Okay, orange and hyaluronic acid serum. Okay, sorry for the pronunciation. This is one pair of patches. Okay, one pair of patches for 120. How does it use? Okay, separate the patch film, apply the patch on the clean face, gently adjust the patch over the under eyes area, leave for 15 minutes, remove mask, gently massage any serum, use cotton pad to remove. Okay, after and anything else. Okay, इससे तो keep in a fridge. So when I ordered this, I just open the package, I just slip into the fridge, and now I'm take it out. So it's a recommend for 3 times in a week. Okay, 3 times in a week. So we have to use more 3 times in a week. Oh my God. So let's see. We are going to try this out, babies. So I'm going to remove the packaging. Oh my God, it has so much serum. Let me smell. I don't think so. Let's remove the eye patches and see. Okay, can you see that? Okay, it's a one patch. Let me just put. Oh my God, it's getting messy. I think so it goes like this. Let me see. Yes. See. Let me see the packaging. No. Okay. Sorry. It should be not. It should go like this. Oh my God, so much messy. Really, I really prefer to use eye cream because it will not messy. And let me see the mirror and check it out, because without mirror I cannot completely sure how to. Okay. You can see that I don't apply this on underside, or apply it. Just I will not apply these. Oh my God, it don't do anything. Can you see that? Very slippery. It doesn't have any smell, I think so. But it have too much serum. So let's just see how it works. It say apply for 15 minutes. So I will apply it for 15 minutes. This I will not apply, to show you this how this looked, how this side turned out, how this side turned out. So you should make sure to see that? Oh my god, I'm just scared if I don't know how these people do it. You know what? I better to say you should buy a eye cream or something, because for 120 you're 15 minutes. So let's wait. Oh my god, let me tell you guys, I cannot blink my eyes. Like it's like this thing going through in my eyes, just weird. You can see that it's like taking the shape. Oh my god, just feel weird, so weird. I really prefer using the eye cream. I don't know why. I think so I would never buy it. What about you? So this thing is going to be, I'm going to give someone, to my friends, to my family, anyone, but I'm not going to use that. Oh my god, आंखों में आंसू भी आ रहे हैं लेकिन नहीं निकल रहे हैं. अरे यार बहुत तकलीफ है. सूख से अब 15 मिनट ना जाने कब होंगे. मैं तो वेट कर रही हूँ 15 मिनट कब खत्म हो. लेट्स सी. सो दैट्स, मैंने पहले भी कहा, अब मैं ये नहीं खरीदने वाली. अगर आपको लेना भी है तो आप लीजिए ताकि आई क्रीम ले लीजिए. कौन सी इंस्टा फ्री की जो ग्रीन टी वाली की ग्रीन सीड वाली है, वो बहुत अच्छी है. 1700 की कुछ की है लेकिन अच्छी है. बेटर देन दिस, सो यू शुड ट्राई इट आउट एंड आई विल नॉट रिकमेंड दिस. Oh my god, when will be the 15 minutes over? Just finger crossed. You can see I cannot blink the both eyes, cannot close the both eyes. You can see this one is also so painful. It's gonna coming off. I don't know. It's just torture for me. So we're 15 minutes and is coming to the end. Just for one more minute. Oh my god, it's just really weird thing that to do this. So just let peel it off. Okay, this thing. Then what it say? Leave it for 15 minutes. Remove. Okay, gently massage it. I'm going to massage. Can you see that? It's really weird. Surely I'm not gonna use this product again. I'm going to give someone second piece. Oh my god. Can you guys see it? Okay, this one I don't use it. This side I use it. Let me wait. Can you see it? Any difference? Just this one. See this one. A little bit difference, like a 90-20 difference, but not too more. It's just, I think, it's a waste of money, waste of time, and yeah, we don't know what kind of thing is in there, because no, I don't smell anything. It's just smell very not very pleasant. Plasticky things smell. It's just really weird. I just massage it. Tell me if you guys can see. Okay, here if I do this, then yeah, it's perfect. Let me do this now. Let me show you. Just like I do this side. Let me show you. I do this side. You can see it doesn't show. But if I do this side, yes, little bit you can see there's a difference between two. Okay, it's a little bit tacky on my face. Can you see? Let me show you. Look at it. Oh my god, it's just weird. If I apply any product, I don't know what happened. So about this thing, I'm not going to buy it again. I will give rate 10/2. Well, it does work, little bit does work. You can see that there's a dark circles little bit brighten, and this thing is little bit tightened, and puffiness is also gone. You can see that. But the thing is that I don't like this. It just feel weird, really weird. So I don't recommend it. If you want to use anything in under eye to make your eye dark circles, use the eye cream. If you want puffiness gone, just rub it little bit eyes, or you can just क्या चिम्मच को फ्रिज में रख के जो करते हैं वो वाला, you can do that. It's just okay. So hope you guys enjoy it, and tell me in a comment that what do you think about this product. Did you buy it or not? If you already use it, then tell me what do you feel about the product. I'm telling you, it's just my opinion. Don't be hateful or anything. So just spread love, and thank you. I will see you next time. Bye bye.